hugging and stroking, and run really fast, and I like stringy things a lot. Yes, stringy things.
What else do you like?
I'd like the kissing, the hugging, the being able to go on the table. I'd like fighting.
Well, I like how after I get groomed, I feel fresh and new, and when I walk around, I feel rejuvenated. But I don't like when I have to sit around and people are like fiddling and commenting and saying how my hair needs brushing or I need to polish my nails more. But I do like how I feel after.